Ha, you probably thought where I was. But I was right here. I fooled you. I tricked you.
Is he really?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
I fooled you. I tricked you. Yes, I did. And hi. Hello. This is me weird. There was 2 moons up in the sky.
What 2 moons?
And then 2 Jupiters plopped out. Sorry, it's an inside joke.
It's called what?
It was funny. No, your voice. There is nothing to do. When you're like pulling this thing. I am very bored.
I really wanted this.
You want to see my attic? Why not?
I don't want it.
Are you scared?
No.
We go up in that closet and then we go up.
Is it like weird? I didn't say bye.
Okay, bye.